said, Bogdan, was that you don't hire just coders. You're not providing coders. Is that a company thing, or is it really part of the educational system here in Ukraine that is creating more sophisticated engineers rather than just coders?
No, it depends on the people. Some developers come here and I would like to work in Java, only in this even libraries.
Yeah,
okay?
right.
So I don't want to send myself. They like this. So
Yeah.
that's why, okay, that place is big company and they will give you just functions. They describe everything because they have separated department that estimate everything and divide to small parts. You need only to develop.
Okay.
You no need to talk with client.
Right.
No need to know English very well. So that's why it's okay. You can go to that company and work that place, but you can try work in our company and feel yourself just person that can resolve problems for clients. You will have communication with client, and most of people like this to communicate with client, to understand business area, business domain, and work like part of that business, not just coder that create just coding. But some people like this, and it's okay.
Yeah.
But also our education produce not just coders. They are trying to do some system analysis and make people thinking
Right.
more deeply to resolve problems.
Because you have a background in math and some of the sciences also.
Yes.
I think it creates an engineering mindset, a way of thinking. Right? You wanted to say something too.
Yeah, I wanted to say just the environment is very stimulating. It stimulates your growth.
Uh-huh.
When people feel responsible and committed, they wanted to grow. And the environment just helping them to grow. And also I agree also with it's like educational system, it's maybe a Soviet legacy, but it was completely different. Like in the US you usually became a very good skilled specialist.
Okay.
But in Soviet style educational system it was a very broad base. So maybe when the developer comes to our company, he has no experience and he is not so good maybe as like trained developer in one particular field, but he has a wide engineering base, and it's manager's job to stimulate him to grow, because he can stay at this base and do not grow, and you won't get a good engineer. But when the environment is stimulating and he starts to grow, then in a couple of years you can get a very good, perfect engineer.